Let's start with the bad news first, right? Because people all like to hear the bad news, then end off with the good news. Bad news is I have no sponsor for today's video. And maybe that's some good news for you all, right? Because it won't interrupt your viewing. But the good news is I can finally compare all the stockbrokers because I do not have any sponsors. So I will make it clear today, this video is not sponsored by any brokerage and it will be my unbiased review of the various brokers that I have used. Specifically, zero commission brokers, because I know that's like the headline of all the recent advertisements of all the new brokers coming up, right? Giving you zero commission. But are they true zero commission? Let's check out today's contenders. Okay, so for true simplicity, I will only compare the commission and the platform fees. Okay, the rest of the regulatory fees like your SEC, your trading fees, your custody fees, and whatever clearing fees or GST that you have with SGX or US market, I will not include those because those are the same throughout the brokers, whether which broker you use, it's all the regulatory fees. The only difference is coming from the commission and the platform fees from these different stock brokerages. So I guess let's start with Syfe Trade, right? Because Syfe Trade is one of the broker that I've been consistently using for their free trades. In fact, if you're a new customer and you sign up with Syfe Trade using my code HONEYMONEY, you do get $70 as a new customer when you deposit at least $2,000. And as a new customer for your first 3 months, you will get 5 free trades, okay, and then $0.99 per order thereafter. So every month you're getting 5 free trades. That means you can dollar cost average quite effectively. Now, after your first 3 months, you can then slow down your DCA. Maybe you do like 2 per month because you still get 2 free trades, and that is what I am still doing right now with my dollar cost average strategy into the QQQM, the Nasdaq 100 ETF. But take note, after the first 3 months, if you use up your 2 free trades, you can only be charged at $1.49 per trade. So that is slightly higher than the 99 cents that I talked about earlier. Where you see the good thing is that Syfe does not charge you based on your order amount. So if your order amount is like a few $100,000, you're a big whale, you use Syfe, you will still only be charged at $1.50. And the other good news is that Syfe does not charge any platform fees. So unlike other brokers which charge you platform fees for some holding or anything, Syfe Trade does not charge you that. And I think one of the biggest function of Syfe Trade that I really like is their recurring buy function. So they will automate your recurring buy orders. I will just submit my instruction and they will just automate this buy instruction every 2 weeks. That's what I set it with, right? And also I do have an automatic gyro transfer every month. So every month Syfe will just take money from my bank account, put it in the Syfe Trade account, and then when the instruction is executed, it will just deduct the money automatically to place my trade for QQQM. So everything is automated. I don't have to look at the trade app. I just need to make sure my bank account has sufficient money for Syfe Trade to transfer it. So that is for US market for Syfe. How about the SG market then? Because that is their recent launch into the SGX market. And right now they are charging a commission of 0.06% or minimum $1.98. So if you want to optimize this cost and want to break even, you would have to use $1.98 divide by 0.06%. You will get the amount being $3,300. And yes, I did try out SGX trading for Syfe Trade as well, and I bought $2,000 of Fraser's Logistics and Commercial Trust at $1.11. So that order size was less than $3,300. So I had to pay $1.98 as commission, coupled with some other regulatory fees that will be around $2 plus per order. Next up is Tiger Brokers Singapore, and I have been using Tiger Brokers since 2020. And right now, as an account opening offer, you do get unlimited commission-free trades into Hong Kong, Singapore, and China A-shares market for 365 days. For US markets wise, you do get commission-free trades for 180 days, so that's like 6 months. You will also get 1 Grab share, and yes, that is our Singapore local Grab company. And you will receive a cash reward of $88 if you make a minimum deposit of 1,000 SGD and make 5 buy trades. So you see, for Tiger Brokers commission, you do get first 180 days free for US market, but after the 180 days, you do need to pay a minimum of 99 cents for commission. And platform fee wise is a minimum of $1. And platform fees doesn't matter if you are a new user or new customer to Tiger, right? Because you still have to pay platform fees even if you still have 0 commission for the first 180 days. So I would say After the free period, the free commission period, expect to pay around $2 plus per order of Tiger trade. Then for Singapore markets wise, Tiger also do offer access to SGX market. And like I said, commission is free for the first 365 days if you use Tiger to trade in the Singapore market. But you still have to pay the platform fees of minimum $1. And the commission for SGX is at 0.03%, minimum 99 cents as well. So after that promotional period, expect to pay like $2 plus combined for your Tiger trade orders in Singapore market. And that will be the same total commission and platform fees as Syfe trade, right, at 0.06%. So now I'm sure you kind of get a whole of what is the market rate for Singapore and US market trading, right? So far I've gone through Syfe trade and Tiger. But what about the next one? Moomoo Singapore. For Moomoo Singapore, it's quite different. As a new customer to Moomoo, you do get lifetime free commissions to US market. Lifetime. And you do get 10 sets of $2 if you invest in Moomoo Cash Plus, which is their cash management portfolio. You will also get one chance to spin the stock wheel and get your hands on one Apple stock if you are lucky enough. So like I said, for US market, there is 0 commissions forever, lifetime for Moomoo, but they do charge a platform fee. And the platform fee is at 99 cents per order. But for the first year, you do get 0 platform fees. So after first year, then you will be charged at 99 cents per order platform fee. So you see, for Moomoo versus Tiger, I think Moomoo is slightly cheaper, right? Moomoo doesn't charge you commission for lifetime if you're a new customer. Then how about SG market wise? For Moomoo Singapore, they do charge 99 cents for each commission and for the platform fee. So that is like minimum 99 cents for the commission and minimum 99 cents for the platform fee. And if you are basing it on percentage wise, that is 0.03 plus 0.03, and that is 0.06%, which is same as the market rate. So far, Moomoo seems to be the best at US market trades, right? But the SG market seems to be everyone is having the same rate. Now let's take a look at the next broker, which is from USmart Securities Singapore. So USmart is a relatively new broker since 2022. It's headquartered in Hong Kong, I believe, and they do offer like very similar sign up good rewards that you could have as a new customer. Now if you open a USmart standard account, straight away you will get 0.02 Tesla shares. And additionally, you will get 6 sets of $30 cash voucher if you make a minimum deposit of 1,500 USD or equivalent to 2,160 SGD for your first deposit. Also, you have to make 3 buy trades within 30 days to qualify for their first deposit offer and get a 6 times $30 cash voucher. Of course, if you're a larger whale and you have more money to put in, you can even put in $10,000. I'm sure they have the highest tier where you can get even more cash vouchers for you. For commissions of USmart wise, there is no commission charged until 31st December 2022. So that's their current promotion right now. Platform fees wise is minimum $1 USD. So I think that's quite standard across the board. I think everyone is charging $1 USD for the platform fee per order. Fairly comparable to Moomoo for this year because no commission and $1 of platform fee. But how about Singapore market wise? So for SG market, USmart Securities do not charge a commission until 31st December this year as well. But they do charge a platform fee of 0.03% multiplied by the order value. So you see there is no minimum as well, which I think that could be really good because for other brokers, they do charge a minimum of $1, right? Whereas USmart, they don't have a minimum for this. So maybe USmart is the cheapest broker to buy SG stocks in SG market. Lastly, let's take a look at the newest broker, which is Webull. I talk about Webull a lot in my sponsored videos. So let's see how their commissions charge. You see, Webull is really the most bullish one. They say 0 commission and 0 platform fees, and it's valid until updated, which means that this promotion could last forever until they change their mind. They don't even say like it's the first year or no. They say like it's until they want to update it. So bullish, right? Of course, this could work both ways, right? Like next year, they could suddenly say that they are stopping this commission free and platform fee free promotion. So we have to be cautious of that. It may stop earlier than you expect. And I think for new customers wise, I think Webull is currently the most generous one because it's giving you $150 of cash voucher. Cash voucher are not some free stocks, free share voucher that you have to sell to get the money. That cash voucher, you really can just withdraw it out from the Webull account. But what are the terms and conditions then? You have to deposit at least $2,000 for your first deposit and hold for at least 30 days. And also, you have to make at least 1 buy order of minimum 100 USD. I mean, you can buy 1 share of Apple stock that is at least 100 USD, right? Currently it's around $150 for one Apple stock. And you also have to buy one option trade, so that could be a put or call option. The best bet is to buy those 1 cent option, because 1 cent multiplied by 100 units, that is only $1 that you have to lose. Disappointing part about Webull is that they do not have any access to SG market trading as of now. So in future, maybe they will offer SGX trading, and then I'll update you guys of the new promotions offered by Webull again. So you see, I compared all the brokers with zero commissions. Which one is the true zero one? I would say that maybe Moomoo and Webull are the real zero commission brokers, right? Because of how they structure their promotions. And I think they are the leaders of these zero commission brokers right now. For SGX market trading wise, I think Usmart is pretty good because of the no minimum commissions, right, for the platform fees, and zero commissions until 31st December. Of course, next year we still have to see what are the promotions offered by the various stock brokerages. Then we can make a fairer comparison. But you realize that I missed out one of the most important broker, which is interactive brokers, right? Because interactive brokers is definitely not free, albeit they have really low trading fees. So if you want to check out interactive brokers, then do click on my link right here, because it will show you how interactive brokers is really the king of all brokers used by a lot of our financial content creators.